Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we're going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels to look out for. So today is quite a memorable day. A lot of our live trading participants, made close to half a lakh and they were celebrating it, with style. So I'm pretty happy to them. If they're listening on this particular video, I want to tell you, you guys have done a fabulous job. And I hope, a lot of you, get your salary account in place by the end of the September. So a day like this should not be missed, guys. Days like this actually build your capital. We were very much secured in terms of where the direction was heading. But now my main purpose is to go ahead and tell you where the market would be heading so that you can keep your eyes open for whatever is coming out there for tomorrow. Now, remember, this is a very, 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 very important level. That is 17,373 at this moment. Now, if there is a gap down opening, then I would want to tell you that it might take this particular index to 17,265. But however, to trick people, this gap down can actually have a buying at 17,336 if tomorrow, if that is not happening. All right. So keep this in mind very, very carefully. Just turn it to a line chart and I can see that this correction is coming right from the top. So until we break this trend line, guys, I just want you to know that this would be a sell on rise market. So tomorrow, if it is opening sideways at 17,376, and if it goes down, and over here, when it is going to be tricky. Understand that at 17,336. If it makes a bullish candle on a 15-minute time frame, you can actually keep a small stop loss and with a half quantity go for the upside. Or if there is a full confirmation that it is opening below that, then definitely we are going to be at 17,265 very, very soon. So these are the levels that you would need to keep in mind. And this is the place that, 56, or if I could just go ahead and say this 100 points are given. After that, I would actually want market to settle down for a bit, make a sideways candle and then decide where it has to go. So that would be there for Nifty. Now, if you check on Nifty, there has been a heavy selling in Nifty that has actually taken place. So I'm talking about 787,000 lots that have been shorted in the last 4 hours of the market. So with Nifty having such a bearish perspective, and also when you look at the global scenario, there has been some steep selling that is still ongoing over here in the indices. So I can expect another 1% downside over here tomorrow or a gap down. So keep this in mind, and I hope it helps you make a decision tomorrow. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Now, we did a lot of this structure over here in Bank Nifty, and this is the most crucial level. So 36,895 is a very crucial level. Now over here, we were looking at the target. We had already achieved it, but we took a Nifty instead of Bank Nifty because, Bank Nifty did not have that much selling, but Nifty had a very, very powerful selling. That's the reason why we took Nifty instead of Bank Nifty. But however, I just want you to know and keep this in mind that the only vacant space over here is left is 36,880. So after that, this is going to go to the complete bearish phase, and that bearish phase can give us some very steep targets. Now I want to tell you the correction when it is a bear, it's going to be more faster than the calls, which actually increase. So puts move faster than the calls. So if tomorrow 36,880 is being broken, then I'm going to be looking at 36,500 as a target. That could happen. Now, until and unless even this is having a trend line. So until and unless it takes out that particular trend line, then I won't be interested to go ahead and buy this. So let me just make that one out for you. There you go. So this would be the top considering the point, and this would be the trend line that we will be looking for. So over here, there is going to be definitely a pressure. Now remember, a trend line will act as a support as well as a resistance whenever a market is in a direction. So keeping that in mind, I think that once it takes out, this level of 36,895, then we can look at 36,500 for 100% confirmation. And, if it is gapping down and taking a bullish candle over here, then I want you to stay away over here in Bank Nifty, because the order flow says not only Nifty is getting belted, but Bank Nifty is not. So keep that in mind. And if you're trading in Nifty, you can go and stretch yourself with a couple of lots. But if you're trading with Bank Nifty, I want you to reduce it because the volatility can just spike in any time. So at this moment, the global scenario looks a bit on the weaker side. So keeping all that in mind, tomorrow we might be expecting a gap down opening, but 100% confirmation would only be given at 8:30 tomorrow. So thank you so much for your time. I hope my levels help you to make some decent money tomorrow, and see you on the next video. Jai Hind, take care, goodbye, see you all.